Hey guys, ECRG here. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of attending business dinners and how they can help you more than anything else at securing your next job or promotion. Coming right up. Hey guys, ECRG here. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of going to business dinners and how that can be the number one business opportunity for you in order to get that promotion that you've been looking for. So the inspiration for this video came about when I and a colleague of mine were talking just in the hallway, chatting it up. And she had mentioned that whenever we go to dinners, or whenever there's like a kickoff meeting, or whenever there's like an investigator meeting or something, there's usually a dinner with the client at some point during the trip, or dinner with other members on the team at some point in the trip. And she had mentioned that she never went to those for some reason. She always felt uncomfortable, or she felt like she shouldn't go, or because everyone was of much higher level than her, that she shouldn't go to those and she would feel out of place. And another person walked up and agreed with her. And this person's job description was to kind of go to these dinners and, kind of interact with the people there, and kind of, because their job was more of a liaison role. So they kind of should have went to them, and they both agreed that, they weren't going to go to these dinners. And I'm just sitting there screaming in my head. I'm not doing this out loud. I'm like, what are you guys doing? You're missing out on a huge opportunity here. This is the biggest opportunity. Now, I'm a big believer in the 80-20 rule, which is that 20% of the efforts yield 80% of the results. So basically, to sum that up, that basically means, there's probably a few things that you do that yield most of the results, that yield most of your successes, where most of the other stuff doesn't matter. So going along with that, the networking, the business dinners, the talking to people, all of that falls into that small percentage of things that matter, that will get you where you want to go in life and will get you in the career. It's the relationships that matter. The skills are commoditized. Anybody can be taught the skills. Anybody can be taught how to do meeting minutes. Anybody can be taught how to do TMF. Anybody can be taught, how to write a communication plan or something like that. But it's the ability to build these relationships. Not everybody can do that. And that's what people really, think about and want when they are looking for somebody to either promote, or, it's through talking to these people that you even know about all these opportunities. We've talked about this countless times on this channel. So you guys know how I feel about networking and the importance of it. We stress it over and over and over again. And from the time this channel started to the time, this channel stops, or whatever content avenue we move to in the future, we're always going to be talking about networking because it's that important. And I just couldn't believe that both of these people were missing out on the biggest opportunity they have in order to advance their career and better themselves. Because, doing great work obviously matters, but everyone's probably doing great work. Everyone is trying really hard. Everyone is, doing their best and putting their best foot forward. But how you really separate yourself is by who you know. It's not what you know, but who you know. How many times have you guys heard that? I'm sure a lot. So I want to talk to you guys and really bring this message to you guys today, because the business dinners, all the deals are made at dinners. All the deals are made on the golf course. Most of the business is not really done in the office. Most of it is done over drinks or at dinner or something like that. And especially for the young people coming into the corporate world, you got to realize that is a huge opportunity if you're invited to these dinners or any gala or anything like that is not in the workplace, that is outside of the workplace. That is a huge opportunity to talk to people in a more casual environment. They're going to be more loose with you. They're going to be more open with you about, what they feel on things and opportunities they can provide and who they can connect you with and things like that. In the office, everyone's got their straight, business face on. They're not going to be as comfortable with you and as loosey-goosey with you in the office. But when you go out of the office, people tend to be more open with you and, it's just better. That's why a lot of the deals are made out of the office, whether it's at dinner, drinks, at the bar later, whatever it is. A lot of conversation happens at these events. So if you're new, if you're new to the corporate world, new to the working world, or you're at a new company or something, go to these events, these business dinners. And I know this video is particularly about business dinners, but we're going to do a video about some of the high yield networking opportunities that companies companies will provide and put on. And that's a huge bonus for you to take advantage of. And, business dinners is one of them. So don't be that person that does not go to the business dinners and misses out, because there are people that are going to be there and get huge benefits from attending the business dinners. And it's also awesome to go because obviously the food is being paid for and the drinks are being paid for by the company usually, or by someone else. You're usually not the one paying for it. But even if you were the one paying for it, the ROI is so high, you could be getting a job from this interview, months down the line that pays you $20,000 more. So, just from spending like $20, $30 at this dinner. So the ROI is very positive. You guys should definitely take advantage of it. And don't be afraid. I know it can be a little intimidating, but it's definitely worth it, especially if there are people that are higher up on the food chain than you, because those are the real movers and shakers in the company. They can make things happen for you. They can connect you with other movers and shakers in the company who can make things happen for you. So take that foolish advice, and it really matters. Take the advice and you'll greatly benefit from it. I promise you. So leave a comment down below if you went to a business dinner or something like that, a lunch or something like that, and something good has come about from it, whether it's a job opportunity, whether it's meeting someone really cool, even if it's like meeting your fiance or something happened at a business lunch. Leave that down in the comments. I'm curious what you guys say about that and what are your take on attending business dinners. So leave that in the comments. As always, email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com for any inquiries. Like, share, subscribe this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. All right, guys, take care.